What's up guys? Migs here of Migs Media TV. Welcome to my channel, Migs Media. If you're new here in my channel, I do vlogs, personal vlogs, of course, video editing tutorial, and oh by the way, I'm giving free Kinemaster version 4.12.1. If you haven't get it yet, try to visit my video section. You can get it from there or just click somewhere over here and you can get it for free. Yes guys, we don't have a video editing tutorial for today only, but we will have our own tutorial on how to fix the engine fail Kinemaster under Huawei phones. Yes, that's what I said, under Huawei phone. So to all Huawei phone users out there and encountering a lot of problems in installing Kinemaster, well, this video is exactly just for you. So guys, stick to me until the end so that we can easily fix that error that you're encountering right now. And by the way, before anything else, if you haven't subscribed on our channel, just smash that subscribe button below, like also, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss anything. Yes guys, sa mga kabarkada ko, mag-English po muna tayo kung kakayanin natin para naman maintindihan ng ating mga friends na hindi nakakaintindi ng Tagalog. Para syempre, i-extend natin yung tulong natin sa kanila. Para lahat tayo enjoy in video editing. Diba? So, nose bead muna tayo. We'll try our best to speak in English. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you learned a lot. I hope we fix a lot of error. And if you do have still a problem, just message me. Leave your comments down below. And of course, I'm going to attend on that. And of course, if you find this video useful and helpful to you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss anything. This is Migs of Migs Media TV. Now I am signing off. Peace, bro.